Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is tabs in Salesforce. Tabs are the user interface elements that provide access to objects, functions or data. Tabs are of four types: custom object tabs. These tabs are user interface components that display custom object data or other web content to users in Salesforce. They help users interact with data quickly. Web tabs. Custom web tabs display any external web-based application or web page in a Salesforce tab. Visual Force tabs. This tab is a user interface component that allows user to display and interact with Visualforce pages. Lightning component tabs. It allows us to add lightning components to the navigation menu in Salesforce 1. Lightning page tabs. It allows us to add lightning pages to the navigation menu in Salesforce 1. Create tab for custom object. Setup, platform tools, user interface, tabs, custom object tabs, new. Step 1, select object. Step 2, choose tab style. Step 3, choose visibility of tab to profile. Step 4, choose app for which we want to display. Step 5, click save button. So let's see an example of creating a tab for employee custom object. So let's log into our Salesforce account by providing username, password and clicking on login button. So at the previous session we had created a object employee for employee management system application. So let's open that particular application. Directly we can type EMS. It's coming over here. So employee management system EMS is here. There is only home tab, and we had created object employee for this application, but it's not visible because we had not created tab for that employee object. So let's see how to create a tab for an object. So let's refer with PPT as we had seen. Setup, in the platform tools, user interface, tabs. So here all the tabs are coming, what we had seen in the PPT. Custom tabs, custom object tabs, web tabs, Visual Force tabs, lightning component tabs, lightning page tabs. So for now we are going to create custom object tabs. Click on new. Earlier we had created employee object, so it's coming. Choose tab style, anyone we can choose. Enter short description. In the real time also we have to provide the description. So here I am providing this tab is created for employee custom object. just click on next button. So add to profiles, choose the user profile for which the new custom tab will be available. So these are the profiles given here, and it's saying that tab visibility will be on, off or hidden for these profiles. So by default it is providing on, and we can choose for a particular profile also apply a different tab visibility for each profile. If I am clicking on this one, so by default I am making on for all, and if I want to make it off or hidden for a particular one, I can do that. So for now I am going with tab visibility default on for all the profiles. Click on next button. Then add to custom apps. Choose the custom apps for which the new custom tab will be available here. So I am not going to provide the tab visibility to all the custom apps. So just I am unchecking this include tab, and for only employee management system I am providing the tab visibility on. So finally clicking on save button. So tab is created for employee object. So let's see is it visible to us or not. Just refresh once. So it's visible employee. These all the things are getting provided by Salesforce, like employees, recently viewed, all, list views all, and recently viewed. It's provided by Salesforce. There is a employee ID, what we had created at the time of object creation. Here search list is there, list view control, then select list display, refresh, edit list, and some filters are coming over here. There is a new button, import and change owner. So tab is done. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.